Hi friends, today we are going to show how we can put a setting so that users cannot park a document unless it's completed. How you can do that. So I am in FB60. Let me go to FB60 and I'll show you. So you go to FB60 and you just enter a company code, and here you go to editing options, and here you can see you can select only complete documents can be parked. So you can set this so that no one can mess this up. So this is very important. In this way you can control it. Okay, and there are other things, other magic stuff you can do here, but you can say documents not cross company code. So you can select this, you can select this, so you can save it, and this way you can control the setting. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great